Well, good evening, folks. Welcome to another episode, the first episode for 2025. And I hope you enjoyed your Christmas and New Year's Eve. Happy New Year from Master Forex Traders. Well, we are looking at Nasdaq for hours, and we could see we had traded below this buy stops with this spike here. Let me zoom a little bit. Perfect. So the reason why here I labeled buy stop, you already know. It's because we have something like a resistance whereby most of buyers will majority buy here, and obviously when it comes back to what we call support, this is support according to retail knowledge. So majority will buy here, and again majority will buy here. So when we say buy stops, we know that their stop losses are resting below here, and the market is what is attracted to. Understand? So here you can see we spiked below, some of the stop losses are being hit, but let's check what could potentially happen this coming week. Let's see what could potentially happen this coming week. We can see we've been ranging since from 20 December. We were ranging no highs and no lows, only equal lows and relatively equal highs. We have been ranging. Of course, there are structures. There are structures in smaller time frames. Remember, we are on 4 hour. There are structures. You could have been trading this range in your smaller time frames, because we have this high here, we have low, high, low, high, low, we have high, we have low, we have high, and we have low. So you could have simply traded this because it's a clean market structure. It will be more clear on your lower time frames. So here we took out this buy stops, but I don't think we did enough, because we just spiked a little bit. I don't think we did enough. I still want to see Nasdaq drop to reach out at least these buy stops. So let's see what's happening on this buy stops there. You can see we have another support. You can see we have another support. Potentially we can reach up until here. Potentially we can reach up until here. So I would probably like to see a melt on Nasdaq. I will probably like to see a melt on Nasdaq. So this is my main target, and here it's my bonus target. So I will be focusing on my main target, on how to trade that sell to this target. The exit price is probably 19,888.80. This is the exit price I am looking for Nasdaq to surpass. This is the exit price I am looking Nasdaq to surpass. Obviously it won't come here with a straight line. It will create market structures. It will come with a cell structure. There will be no straight line unless, I'm saying unless, he is waiting for CPI to happen. Remember, this is not a normal week at all. We have CPI and we also have, I think it is PPI during this week. So a lot of volatility it is expected, and a lot of price breaking, its own rules, its own program, its own metrics. It is expected. So it is that week whereby you are going to be cautious, and of course minimum lot sizes. Do not risk a lot, especially on CPI or PPI days. You have to obey the rules. You have to stick to your plan. Do not trade during the news. Understand? So I am expecting Nasdaq to drop. I am really expecting Nasdaq to drop. If it doesn't drop, it's okay. It will of course give us a structure to show that I am not dropping, I am going up. For now, it seems like it's going to drop up until these buy stops here. We collected these ones, and I am hoping to see these ones too being collected. Maybe CPI will be the speed to these buy stops. I'm not saying trade CPI. If it happens that market won't reach here before CPI, it's fine. That move can skip you. If CPI is going to be the move to this buy stops, it's fine. Let it skip you. It's fine. You can miss it. There is always another day. There is always another entry. There is always another chance. There is always another candle to catch. There is always a price to move. So you don't have to be scared or have a fear of missing out. No, don't do that. Be disciplined. It's 2025. You have to cut off your bad behaviors on trading. It's not going to take you anywhere. You have to be real to yourself. You have to obey your rules. You have to be disciplined. You have to be a consistent trader. I am tired of advising people how to be a consistent, and I cannot teach you that. You are the only person that can teach themselves how to behave, how to control your emotions. I can tell you that, but when it comes to teaching you that, you have to learn the lessons on your own. Understand? So you have to force yourself to do the right thing. I cannot always advise you to do the right thing, especially those who've been trading for years and can't find their breakthrough, blowing accounts after accounts. You have to stop the bad behavior. You know it's not going to take you anywhere. Deep inside you, you know when you are risking too much. You know when your trade is bad. You know when you are trading and you didn't plan to trade. You need to stop that. I am not gonna waste any more time trying to motivate you or reminding you of your risk management. I cannot always do that, guys. We are here and we mean business. Please, if you send me a WhatsApp, it's either you want to join a mentorship I am tired of giving free advices because people don't listen when everything is for free. They take the information for granted. So I think it will be much better if you paid for it. If there's a sweat in it, you won't take it for granted. You will take it seriously. So folks, this is what I am anticipating on Nasdaq. Obviously, the lower time frames will give us opportunities to sell. So I am looking forward to see these buy stops being taken out, simply because we have what the retail traders call support here, or can say double bottom. So we are anticipating to see another raid on this stop losses below here. So usually when it's so confusing like this with no clear move or clear market structure, I tend to follow dollar index. This is dollar index, and we are on 4 hours. So we can see that clearly we have been pushing up. We have been really pushing up, and on 1 hour time frame, let's check 1 hour time frame on dollar index. Dollar index, by the way, is our indicator. It's our indicator for Nasdaq. Usually when it goes up, Nasdaq goes down. When it goes down, Nasdaq goes up. Understand? Usually. But it happens sometimes where they goes hand in hand, especially on weeks or months that are not stable, maybe because of geopolitical events, or any other fundamental impact on the dollar index. So we can see here we have something like shift of market structure up. Yes, the trend has been going up. I can see we have highs and lows, highs and lows. So we have here a high and we have a low. We have again what? A high here, and market came and gave us this spike here. Where is it? What's the spike? It's on 50% retracement. 50% retracement from where? From this shift of market structure, or you can call it a break of market structure. Understand? From here. From here. We have this candle here going up, and we have this move here coming back down again. If it's confusing you, you can measure from your low to your high. But because this is a spike, guys, you can see this is a spike. What have I taught you about the spike? It's okay to use the body. If you have a spike, it's okay to use your body. It's okay to use the body. Now I've used this body from this low to this high here. The body. Understand? Now we have what? This retracement here. Where is our 50%? Here's our 50%. Already there is another on my private student knows what's happening here beside this 50% retracement. So it's clearly we have touched our 50% retracement. If you are confused or you watching this for the first time, please go watch the 5 powerful and most important lessons on the market structure and how to use the FIBO. So clearly we will see a movement up. Already we have this up candles consolidation, and I would probably like to see more movement higher. This will push Nasdaq down. Understand? So that's it for Nasdaq, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe, and of course comment your opinion. It is welcome. Until I'll talk to you next time, be safe.